How to make an advising appointment using our Advisor Track system. Currently enrolled students at NC State have access to make their own appointments with their advisor using the Advisor Track system, and the steps are easy. You can access Advisor Track's login page at https://trac.ncstatecollege.edu or follow these easy steps. Visit the NC State website and click on Current Students. Next, click on Student Software Applications. Here you will find information on Advisor Track. On the left-hand side, click on Advisor Track to link to the online login page. Enter your MyNC username and password and click Login. Next, from the main menu, click on Search Availability. You may have a variety of advising centers to choose from. Choose your desired center. Choose an appropriate reason for your visit and click Search. From the calendar, pick the advising time that works best for you. Choose whether you would like to meet with your advisor in person, by phone, or via Zoom, an online meeting. Enter any notes that would help your advisor prepare for your meeting. Enter your phone number and click Save. Once the appointment is saved, you will get an automatic email to your student email account confirming the appointment. You may also return to the main menu and you'll notice that your upcoming appointments will be listed at the bottom of the page. If something should arise that you cannot make your meeting, you can cancel up to 24 hours in advance by clicking the X at the bottom of the screen, entering a reason for your cancellation, and clicking Confirm Cancellation. We hope that this video has been helpful, and then the next time that you need to make an appointment with your advisor, you will give it a try yourself. And don't forget to log out. Thanks so much for watching.